Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the 4 tri-wing Y00 screws on the back. Use a Y00 driver and steady pressure so you don't strip heads. Once those are out, lift the plastic rear plate slightly at the top edge and slide it back. Don't yank it. 2 ribbon cables still sit beneath. Make sure to set screws in order. Too long, too short. If the cover resists, check for a tucked clip at the rail and gently pry with a plastic pick to avoid damage. Once the rear shell is off, remove the small Phillips screws securing the internal shield and lift it away. This reveals the ribbon cables and the battery. You'll need to unlock any ZIF ribbon connectors by flipping the small brown latch and sliding the ribbons out. This prevents tearing. Now you can see the battery's white plug on the board. Use a plastic spudger to carefully pry the plug straight out. Avoid pulling wires and support the board so you don't bend contacts. With the plug disconnected, peel the battery away from the adhesive backing by working a corner up first and sliding a thin plastic pick beneath. Go slowly to avoid puncturing the cell. Once free, lift straight out and inspect the connector orientation. When installing a replacement, press the plug straight in until it seats. Before reassembling, power on the Joycon to confirm operation. If it won't power, make sure ribbons are fully seated and the battery plug is correct orientation. Reseat and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.